Hey guys, it's Dunkin' Ducks here with my best friend Munchkin, and today we're just going to be doing a vlog of our daily little adventure. So, we're just deciding where we're going, and I just have Munchkin here in her little carrier that she loves. And today I got her pink harness, which I actually just got, so I'm hoping she likes it as much as she likes the purple one, but we're going to find out. So, it turns out that the pink harness actually doesn't fit her. See, she doesn't like it. It didn't fit around her neck, and then I was really confused because I was pretty sure I got the same size as my purple one, but luckily I brought my purple one just in case, and it's actually a lot bigger. So, lucky for Munchkin, we still get to take our walk. So, Munchkin could not decide which direction she wanted to walk in, so she's being carried down the trail now. And I think she's getting a little excited because she can hear all the water. So, I can't wait to see her reaction. No? Go off the trail, Munchkin. Big steps. Look at that, pretty girl. So, I was just trying to get pictures of Munchkin at the end of the rainbow because there's like a little rainbow over here. You probably can't see it, but I got pictures of it, so you see it on Instagram. But I was trying to get a picture of her at the end of the rainbow, and I put her up on these things. And normally she stands there and she's like perfectly calm and she loves getting her picture taken. And she tried, I don't think she tried to jump off, but she like slipped or something and she almost fell off. And I mean, she would have been fine. But like, I literally just had a heart attack. So I also just noticed that there are people watching me walking her across the boards up at the top of the waterfall, and I didn't know that there was like a spot up there, but I think that's where we're gonna go next. Are you excited, Munchkin? I think she's excited. So Munchkin has managed to get herself completely muddy, but that's okay, we love her anyway, right guys? Now we are working our way up to the second part of the falls, and this walk is really hard. So a few minutes ago, we were standing down there. And now we are on top of the waterfall. Isn't the view amazing? And there's a little waterfall back here. I'm not sure Munchkin loves this. She's insistent upon walking down the stairs herself, even though I said that was a bad idea. But she seems to be getting along kind of okay. I'm probably gonna like totally slip and fall on my face, but hey, it's fine. So Munchkin just led me back to the car, and as soon as we got here, she just laid down. And she was like, that was a long hike, I'm done. And honestly, me too, Munchkin, me too. So I'm just cooling down the car for her before I put her in here, and then get her some snacks to get her energy levels back up. So I brought her some water. Munchkin. She doesn't even care. She's like, I want to clean myself. So Munchkin and I just got to the lake. It's a bit of an interesting sight. I don't know what to say. I think I'm gonna have to show you. So this is what my lake currently looks like. They drained it. Yeah. Munchkin, what do you think? I don't know what to say about this. This is just sad looking. Kinda wanna walk on it, but I might sink in. Munchkin seems kind of concerned about this. And honestly, Munchkin, I would be too. Wow. Well, on the bright side, I guess I know how deep the lake is now. It's not very deep, but this is just a disappointment. I wanted to come see the lake, hang out with Munchkin, and we are looking at, I don't even know what you call this. It looks like an abandoned desert. So we just got home from a very disappointing trip to the lake, and now Munchkin is gonna go back and hang out with her duck friends, which she can hear them, so she's getting all excited. Munchkin, calm down. But if you like seeing our Munchkin vlog to the waterfall, like this, subscribe, and maybe I'll make some more vlogs.